Do you have a record collection at home? Maybe you're just getting into it, but your stereo system is plagued with pops and clicks. Well, today I will walk you through a simple 3-step process to help you get the most out of your existing gear through cleaning and maintenance. It sounds boring now, but wait till you see how much this vacuum cleaner sucks. Step 1. Is this carbon fiber anti-static record brush. I recommend using this every time before you listen to a record. This one here from AudioQuest does 2 things. First, it removes surface layer dust and debris from your records, and the second is that it can actually discharge static electricity on the surface of the record. 2 of the most common causes for those pesky noises you get when you're trying to relax and listen to music. Step 2 is cleaning the tip of your stylus. This doesn't need to be done every day or even every week, but if you can visibly see dirt, dust, hair, or anything else clinging to your stylus, then you know it's time. Now this can be a bit daunting at first, given the fragility of a stylus, but it's less scary than you think. Using a stylus brush, you simply need to lightly drag the bristles against the tip of the stylus towards yourself. Make sure to never push the brush against the cantilever, as this can bend the stylus out of place if you aren't gentle enough. If a dry brush isn't cutting it, I would consider getting a vial of Stylus Cleaner from Last Factory or Record Doctor. These cleaning fluids can aid in removing stubborn debris, but some lesser quality solutions can leave sticky residue on the stylus, leading to even more excessive buildup of gunk. Step 3 is deep cleaning using a record cleaning system. There are a variety of ways to do this, but the easiest, most consistent method I have found is a record vacuum cleaner. In this model by Pro-Ject, the VC-S3 has all you need. With this record cleaner, you first place your record on the spindle, clamp it down, and drip 3 drops of cleaning fluid on each side of the record. Turn the motor on. Use the included squeegee brush to help coat the entire surface of the record. Now lift and place the vacuum nozzle into the cleaning position and turn on the vacuum. Then rotate the record 2 rotations in both directions. Turn off the vacuum after you're done. Voila! A crystal clean record. It is especially important to clean your records after you first get them if they're brand new, as a lot of dust and debris from the factories they are pressed in likes to cling to the surface of the record. But this is also useful if you have a large collection you may have inherited. Here are a few last-minute tips for you. Store your records vertically in a dry environment out of direct sunlight. This helps prevent warpage and the artwork from fading over time. Check your turntables belt once a year for signs of dry rot or cracks. Have a few on hand if you ever need to change them. Bring your turntable into us once a year for a checkup. We can inspect the stylus under a microscope to see how much wear and tear your stylus has and let you know when it's time for an upgrade or replacement. Follow these steps and your records should sound much better. If you have any tips or tricks you use on how to take care of your record collection, let us know in the comments section down below. This is Chris from Worldwide Stereo. Thanks for tuning in.